Curtis Trades here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the GKU D1000. And what this is this is a 3-channel dash cam. It can record up to 4K in the front cam. This is a really good camera. I actually like the ergonomics of this camera. It's got physical buttons on it, which is a plus. I think touchscreens can be kind of hard to use when you're moving and driving around. So it's nice to be able to just reach up and touch and feel which buttons you need to press, especially for the emergency record, which is the only button on the top of the camera. It does have other buttons on the bottom for going through the menu settings and things like that. Emergency record is just by itself here on the top. The interior camera can swivel like this, and it does have infrared sensors, so it is night vision camera. It also comes with a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, which is a really nice plus to have. It has Wi-Fi, it has parking mode, it has loop recording. It's got a whole lot of different features that you would want in a dash cam, and it really comes with everything that you would need. It has GPS on it as well. You can access the smartphone app. It goes over all the things in the menu to access the app. You can change all the settings through the app or through the menu itself on the camera, which is also a really nice feature to have. And you can download the videos and things right to your smartphone if you don't want to take out the SD card and take it up to your computer. Here's the sound of the microphone. I got some other background noise. These roads are a little noisy, but that's what it sounds like. Seems to be a pretty good microphone. If you're looking to purchase this, check out a link down in the description. And if you have any questions or comments about this camera, let me know those as well. So a couple things that come in the box that are nice to see. It comes with the rear cam here. It just has a normal sticky. You can adjust the angle of it as well. And you can flip it if you want to flip it. If you mount it this direction or this direction, it gives you the option to flip it in the settings so that you can have the video recording the right direction instead of having to edit it later, which is nice. For the 12-volt outlet, it does come with a USB as well, which is nice. It also comes with a trim tool, so you can use this to tuck back the trim to mount the wires, and so you don't have wires dangling down, which is really nice that it offers to have that in the box. Comes with some cable ties to attach it. Two other things that are really nice is it comes with these sticky windshield protectors, and what these are is they basically are static clings, and they go on your windshield, and then you attach the mount directly to these on your windshield. That way, if you do need to remove it for some reason, it's a lot easier to pull it off, and your sticky mount here won't leave a bunch of residue up on the windshield, which you'll have to clean later. So these are super awesome to have. And then lastly, the mount is removable, so you can put the camera, or you can put the mount on by itself, and then you can slide on the mount like so. That way, if you do want to take it out when you're not in the car, if you're worried about people stealing it or something like that, you can just slide it back off and pull it off without having to take your mount off the windshield every time. So it's got a quick release option for that. Installation is really simple. You're just going to put your windshield saver where you want it to go, and then attach this right to your windshield saver. Then you plug in the main power to the top of the camera here, and then you plug in the rear camera here on the mount. So that way, again, you don't have to unplug 2 wires from this when you remove it. You can just unplug the one from the mount here. And then once you have the cable set up, it's pretty much good to go. And that's one of the nice things about it. It's a really simple camera. You just can plug it in and you're good to go. You can change the settings if you want parking mode, you want the loop recording, but it's very simple and easy to use. If you're looking to purchase this, check out a link down in the description. And if you have any questions or comments about this camera, let me know those as well.